ChatGPT versus Claude. Which one is actually better for you? ChatGPT is faster out of the box. Live search, image generation, voice mode. If you want one tool that does everything, that's ChatGPT. Claude reads more carefully. Give it a long document, a messy brief, or a complicated problem. It actually processes it. ChatGPT skims, but Claude studies. For writing, Claude sounds better. ChatGPT still sounds very AI-trying. You can feel the difference. For coding, Claude plans first. It questions your approach before it builds. That saves hours of fixing bad foundations later. For quick research and everyday tasks, use ChatGPT. It's faster, more connected, and gets it done. So, which one is better for you? If you want speed and variety, ChatGPT. If you want depth and quality, Claude. Most people who do serious work end up with both open at the same time. That's probably your answer. Comment human, and I'll send you my ebook. They will never know AI wrote it. A simple step-by-step guide to make AI copies sound 100% human. Make sure you follow Insider Force. The system only sends it to followers.